Is soy really as healthy as people think, or could it be causing harm to your body? In this video, we're diving into the surprising truth about soy, its health benefits, the risks you may not know about, and how it affects your body in the long run. Whether you've been enjoying soy-based products or have concerns about adding them to your diet, we'll uncover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Stick around to discover the good, the bad, and the facts that could change the way you look at soy forever. Firstly, we will talk about the health benefits of soy. Soy is packed with essential nutrients that can be beneficial for your health. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Soy also provides a good amount of fiber, along with important vitamins like folate and vitamin K. In addition, it contains key minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, all of which are vital for maintaining strong bones, healthy blood, and overall well-being. One of the standout features of soy is that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for optimal function. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Soy can have a positive impact on heart health, making it an excellent addition to your diet if you're looking to boost cardiovascular well-being. Research has shown that soy helps reduce LDL, or bad, cholesterol while increasing HDL, or good, cholesterol levels. This dual action supports a healthier cholesterol balance in the body, which is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease. In fact, the FDA has acknowledged that consuming 25 grams of soy protein per day as part of a diet low in saturated fat may lower the risk of heart disease. Incorporating soy into your daily meals could be a simple but effective way to support a healthier heart. Soy is rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that have been shown to support bone health, particularly in postmenopausal women. These isoflavones may help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis by influencing estrogen receptors in the body. Since estrogen levels naturally decrease after menopause, consuming soy may be beneficial in protecting bones and preventing bone loss. Including soy in your diet could be a helpful strategy to maintain strong bones as you age. Now we will talk about the potential risks of soy. Soy contains compounds known as goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid function, particularly in individuals who are prone to thyroid issues, such as those with iodine deficiency or hypothyroidism. Goitrogens can potentially disrupt the thyroid's ability to produce hormones, leading to an enlarged thyroid or other complications. However, for most people with sufficient iodine intake, the risk is minimal, and soy consumption doesn't pose a significant threat to thyroid health. If you have thyroid concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet. Soy isoflavones are plant compounds known as phytoestrogens, which can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. For some individuals, this can be beneficial, especially in managing menopausal symptoms or supporting hormone balance. However, excessive soy consumption may potentially disrupt hormonal balance in certain people, particularly those who are sensitive to hormonal changes. If you're concerned about how soy might affect your hormones, it's always a good idea to monitor your intake and consult a healthcare professional if needed. While whole soy foods like tofu, edamame, and tempeh offer a variety of health benefits, highly processed soy products, such as soy protein, isolates, or soy-based junk food, may not provide the same nutritional advantages. These processed products often lack the fiber and beneficial compounds found in whole soy and can contain added additives and unhealthy levels of sodium and sugar. Consuming these heavily processed soy options regularly might not contribute to your health in the same way as whole, minimally processed soy foods. Thank you for watching. We've covered both the health benefits and potential risks of soy, and hopefully you now have a clearer understanding of how it can affect your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.